Hi guys, it's Chris Landry from ChrisJLandry.com, and this morning I was really inspired to talk about a concept that I've been learning since I've been studying personal development from very successful people, and the concept is mastering the basics. Okay, and the interesting thing about this concept, if you observe very successful people in any walks of life, whether it be athletics, or whether it be martial arts, or whether it be making money, or whether it be sales, or any profession, if you observe the top people in different professions, you'll see a common denominator. And the common denominator that I've observed, and you probably will observe yourself if you're looking, you'll see it, is they master the basics better than anyone else, right? So it's really a key concept that I'm internalizing as much as possible to get the most out of my life, is mastering the fundamentals. From what I've studied, the secret to success is there's not many secrets. Many people think there's a lot of secrets to being successful at making money or having a good life, but one of the key secrets is there's not many secrets, right? If you think about it. So it's really interesting to think about that concept maybe today and just start observing very successful people, and you'll know they're mastering fundamentals and they're doing it really proficiently. And it's something that you may want to think about in your life right now. Think about what you want to accomplish this week and this month and this year, and think about the basics that will help you get you there, right? Think about, are you focusing more on thinking or on the activity? So if anyone who has been going through Your Wish Is Your Command or Law of Attraction training, there's a key principle called the train and balance skill, where most of success is thinking and less of it is the activity, right? The action side. So when you're going after a goal, are you thinking more on the thought process? Are you dream building? Are you focusing on your dreams? Are you thinking about, in your mind, an image of being successful and what it feels like? Or are you mostly focusing on the activity and the action steps, right? So one of the key concepts that I've been learning from successful people, very successful people, master the thinking side, okay? So that's one example on how mastering the basics is implemented in success training in very successful people. So anyways, I hope this helped you with whatever goal you're going through. I hope you got some cognitions and realizations on whatever you're going through in your life and whatever you're trying to achieve. Just remember, focus on the basics, and that will help you achieve success faster than anything else. The key concept is master the basics, right? And it's something I've observed and I've been taught from very successful people. All right, well, I hope everyone had a great day. It's quite early where I am. I just went for a run. I listened to audios and I read a little bit in a book. And I'm going to be looking at my dream board a little bit, and then I'll be heading out for my day. So that's like a good example of a good morning routine. If you want to implement that in your life as well, you'll probably see some pretty amazing results in 30, 60, 90 days. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day, morning, or evening. And if you want more information on personal development, please feel free to check out my blog at ChrisJLandry.com. I have articles on law of attraction, sales, marketing, personal development, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.